museum. So the tunnel we just passed through in, that was the pediatric, and let me just check. Maybe we have a bit on my left side, the tent house, famously known as the Fairweather Tent House, and on my right side here, the Beth Anderson Museum, the original maternity hospital of Mount Isa. And so just a bit background about Mount Isa, it being the first mining company town in Queensland. So when the miners came over here down to Mount Isa, their homes were just A4 frame canvas tents, but they didn't look as beautiful and luxurious as the tent house that's right over here. So Mount Isa gets pretty hot, like we will reach 45, 46 degrees here. Three entrances. This is the north tunnel, and the south.
Underground Hospital at ito na po yung mga
So, welcome to the Underground Hospital Museum. So, the tunnel we just passed through in, that was the pediatric, and let me just check. Maybe we have a visitor, or Ella is back.
Having to build their house and safety through these uncertain years.
That's only an 18-inch fuse. Run!
The boys, they worked so hard. It was all a shock. Thankfully, there were no attacks. And now that the Japanese have surrendered, a sense of relief has fallen upon the Isa.
So, Lester was right. The underground hospital was completely forgotten for decades. It was full of, it was just eroded, full of vegetation. But it was a different group of miners who found out about the underground
Hey,
hospital.
wow, look at this. What is it? Looks like the entrance to a tunnel or something. Give us a look. Hello? Wow. Hello? Are you coming down? Right.
So it was just a group of boys that were wandering around outside, and they said, oh, they saw a hole. They were intrigued as to what was that. They decided to smoke cigarettes.
Yeah.
Unfortunately,
Cool.
the cigarettes started a fire. So there was smoke all over coming out from the tunnel. So the neighbor is the one who saw the smoke, and he was in panic as to, he didn't know what was going on because he has never seen anybody around that area. So he called the fire brigade, the ambulances, all the newspaper people were here. The next morning, it was all over news that an underground hospital had been here hidden for decades. So good job for the boys for finding the underground hospital, but I don't think they had a good night at home, being yelled at, what were you doing there, and all sort of stuff. So when the boys found out about the underground hospital, they then brought in archaeologists and scientists to the hospital. And the underground hospital has been open for visitors in 2001. That's when we started welcoming visitors to come here at the underground hospital. So when you look up, you will see the roof of the underground hospital, that wood. That wood was originally brought in from Canada. It's original. Since the underground hospital was operating, this has been the wood that was right over there. And you see the wood right inside here, just the pine. This one was just put for us for safety and precautions for us to be able to have tours right down inside here. And so talking about tours, this is the end of our tour. You're free to take as many pictures and videos as you would like now. Thank you very much for coming today and making the time to come here. When you go upstairs, if you can.
Yan, makikita natin mga dito mga kakuboy, mga hinigaan ng mga sundalong nagkasakit o nasugatan ng pandaigdigang digmaan. Ayon sa ating tour guide, ang underground hospital na ito ay aksidente na discovery ng mga kabataan na nag-hike dito sa lugar na ito at nakita nilang may butas at naging curious sila at pinasok nila itong lugar na ito. Since then ay nagkaroon ng sunog. Doon na ni-discovery ng pamahalaan lokal ng Mount Isa ang underground hospital na ito. Ito naman po mga kaguboy ay mga nandito na kasama sa na-discovery dito sa loob ng underground hospital na ginamit ng mga doktor at nurse. Ang kasagsagan po ang digmaan. Mga pinggan noong unang panahon ay nandito pa, yung mga utensils na ginamit nila sa kusina ng nitong hospital. Nagsilbing paanakan na rin ito noong unang panahon, kaya makikita natin ay may mga doyan pa ng mga bagong silang na sanggol. May timbangan din pong bibi at may paliguan. Dito naman ang nagsilbing operating bed ng mga nasusugatang sundalo na pinapasok dito sa loob ng underground hospital. So ayan, mga feeding tray noong unang panahon. Hanggang ngayon ay buhay na buhay pa.